Are you constantly on the go and struggle to find time to prepare healthy meals? Welcome to a world where a healthy meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. Today, we're exploring the intersection of health and convenience, focusing on meal prep strategies that can keep you fueled throughout your busy days. Understanding the significance of meal prep is the first step in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, especially when life gets demanding. Stay tuned as we dive into 10 easy and healthy meal prep ideas perfect for your busy lifestyle. First up, we have overnight oats, a perfect breakfast option. To concoct this wholesome meal, you'll need a few simple ingredients: old-fashioned oats, a milk of your choice, Greek yogurt for a protein punch, chia seeds for added fiber, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Don't forget to top it off with your favorite fruits or nuts for an extra crunch. Here's how you go about it. In a jar or a bowl, combine half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk, a quarter cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a sweetener to taste. Give it a good mix, cover it, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Come morning, your breakfast is ready to go. Just add your toppings and voila, overnight oats are not just a time saver, they're also packed with nutrients. High in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, they're a heart-healthy way to start your day. So overnight oats, a simple yet nutritious way to start your day. Next, we have a quinoa salad, a versatile lunch idea. This vibrant and delightful dish is made with simple ingredients that are easy to find. You'll need cooked quinoa, a medley of your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes, some feta cheese, and a dash of your preferred dressing. To prepare, start by fluffing your cooked quinoa with a fork. Chop your vegetables and toss them in with the quinoa. Sprinkle in some feta cheese for a tangy bite, and finish off with your dressing. Mix everything together, and voila, your quinoa salad is ready to serve. This hearty salad is not just delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa is a complete protein, rich in fiber and minerals, while the vegetables provide an array of vitamins and antioxidants. And the feta cheese? It adds a nice boost of calcium. There you have it. A quinoa salad, easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. Moving on to dinner, we have two options: grilled chicken and veggie stir-fry. Both of these dishes are packed with lean proteins and a colorful array of vegetables, making them not only tasty but nutrient-rich. For the grilled chicken, you'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, your favorite herbs and spices for marinating, and a hot grill. This dish is as simple as marinating the chicken and grilling it to perfection. The result is a juicy, flavorful protein source that's a great addition to any meal. Now let's talk veggie stir-fry. Gather a variety of your favorite vegetables, some tofu or shrimp for protein, and a savory sauce to tie it all together. The key here is quick, high-heat cooking to maintain the crunch and vibrant colors of the vegetables, while infusing them with the flavors of your chosen sauce. Grilled chicken or veggie stir-fry, two simple, healthy dinner options. Now let's not forget about snacks. We have 5 healthy and easy-to-prepare options. First up, we have a classic: the fruit and nut mix. A perfect blend of sweet and savory, this mix is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. All you need is a variety of your favorite dried fruits and nuts. Almonds, walnuts, raisins, or dried cranberries, the choice is yours. Just mix them together and voila, your snack is ready. It's a great on-the-go option that you can easily carry around in a small container. Our second snack is a Greek yogurt parfait. It's a blend of creamy Greek yogurt, fresh fruits, and crunchy granola. Start with a layer of Greek yogurt in a jar. Add a layer of sliced fruits and top it off with granola. You can prepare it the night before and enjoy a delicious and nutritious snack the next day. It's high in protein, probiotics, and vitamins, making it a perfect midday pick-me-up. Next on the list is a crowd favorite, hummus and veggies. You can buy your favorite hummus from the store, or make it at home. Pair it with sliced veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. This snack is high in fiber and protein, and it's a fun way to get your daily dose of vegetables. Our fourth snack is a protein shake. Mix your favorite protein powder with a cup of milk or water. Add some fruits or vegetables, and blend it all together. It's a quick and easy snack that's high in protein and can keep you full for a long time. Last but not least, we have energy balls. These are bite-sized snacks made with ingredients like oats, nut butter, honey, and seeds. They are simple to prepare. Just mix all the ingredients, roll them into balls, and refrigerate. These energy balls are a powerhouse of nutrients and provide a quick energy boost when you need it. These snacks are not just delicious, but also keep you full and energized throughout the day. And there you have it, 10 easy and healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. In this fast-paced world, where every minute counts, meal prep is more than just a convenience. It's a lifeline. It's the thing that keeps us grounded, nourished, and ready to face whatever the day brings our way. It's the key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, even when we're racing against the clock. Let's quickly recap the meal prep ideas we've explored today. First, we dived into the world of overnight oats, a simple, versatile, and nutritious breakfast option that can be prepped the night before. It's like having your own personal breakfast chef ready to serve you a delicious and healthy start to your day. Next, we ventured into the realm of quinoa salad. This protein-packed powerhouse is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to prepare in large batches. It's a great option for those who are looking for a healthy, filling lunch that can be easily packed and taken to work. Then we talked about grilled chicken and veggie stir-fry, a vibrant, flavorful dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. This meal prep idea brings together the best of both worlds: lean protein and a rainbow of veggies, all in a one-pan wonder. Finally, we covered a range of snack options, from protein bars to fruit and nut mixes, hummus and veggies, Greek yogurt parfaits, boiled eggs, and smoothie packs. These snack ideas are not only easy to prepare, but are also perfect for those midday hunger pangs. They're portable, proportioned, and packed with nutrients. Each of these meal prep ideas is designed to be simple to prepare, delicious to eat, and most importantly, loaded with all the good stuff your body needs. Whether you're a seasoned meal prepper or a complete novice, we encourage you to try out these ideas. Mix and match them, tweak them to suit your tastes, and make them your own. Remember, meal prep isn't about creating gourmet meals or following complicated recipes. It's about simplifying your life, saving time, and ensuring you're eating healthily consistently. It's about taking control of your nutrition and, in turn, taking control of your health. Remember, no matter how busy you are, there's always time to eat healthily. So try these meal prep ideas and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness content. Make sure to also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, stay strong and eat healthy.